Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is charged and connected. This prevents interruptions while you change system settings. Next, open Settings and go straight to Notifications or Apps so you can target the secure folder exactly. Tap the secure folder entry that shows the locked notification. You do this because the notification originates there. Once done, make sure you note whether the notification is marked as persistent or a system alert, since that affects the next steps and which toggles you'll see. Now you adjust the app-level notification controls. Turn off persistent or priority notifications and disable lock screen previews so the locked banner stops appearing. If the notification stubbornly persists, go to Storage and clear cache. This often removes cached alerts. Use clear data only if you accept reconfiguring the folder. Once done, check Do Not Disturb exceptions to ensure secure folder isn't exempt. Make sure to test by locking and unlocking the phone to see whether the banner Finish by rebooting the device so system services pick up your new settings. This frequently clears lingering notifications. If the lock notification remains, update the Secure Folder app or Samsung/OS updates, and as a last resort uninstall and reinstall Secure Folder. Backup data first. Once done, test again. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app causes the alert. If it disappears in safe mode, remove recently installed apps until the notification stops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.